Now, to open it up, you just click on it, touch keyboard, right? Now, I have the compact version. In order for you to change the version, because I don't know how it starts off, I think you may have the complete full keyboard. I'm not sure. You may have something like this that popped up. Something like this that popped up, right? The complete keyboard.
Ringers are okay, but I tend to keep it a stack. Only keep it real, no fraud, no me that's that. All I got is my balls and my word, and that's fact. Ever need something guaranteed, I hit you right back. New 2020.
Hello everybody, how's everybody doing out there, man? Consider subscribing, please. I do these tutorials every so often, but if you have a question, if I know how to do it, I would be gladly to bring you guys a tutorial on how to do this, how to do that, basically how to. I know pretty good amount, and whatever, forget all of that. If you clicked on the video, man, you're tired of having a laptop or a PC or desktop, whatever you have, and you can't use emojis. You know it's 2018, I gotta be able to, or 2019, I gotta be able to use an emoji some type of way. Never mind this right here. This right here is just my screen capturing program. Shout out to my aunt because she asked about something. I will bring you a video if you want me to do a video like that to my aunt. I'm talking to my aunt. But to everybody else, that's just a program, and I had to redo this video because right down here, hold up, can you see that right down there is what I'm gonna be talking about, and that wasn't showing in the video. So this is basically a recapture. But like I said, you clicked on the video because you want to know how to get emojis. Let's get straight into it. We're gonna switch over to my desktop and we're gonna get straight into it. All right. So now we're on our desktop, man. Consider subscribing, twin. You know what time it is. Okay. Now, first and foremost, I need to get rid of this. Hold up. I need to get rid of this. Okay, get rid of that. I had to get rid of that. Now, your desktop, your interface, excuse me, should look something like this. Your desktop, whatever, your presentation should look something like this, right? Never mind my icons, never mind my files, none of that, right? When you go down here to the taskbar, this is considered your taskbar down here with all your programs, whatever you have saved down there in your programs. You're gonna right click on that taskbar, right? Like you want to bring up your task manager. Y'all know how to do that, right? Instead of Control Alt Delete, you can right click on your taskbar, right click on it. Now you're gonna come down to this pop-up menu, which has toolbars, katana, show task view button, show people on the taskbar, and then show Windows Ink workspace, and then show touch keyboard button. All you want to do is select that. Bam. Once you select that, you're done. You are completely done. Like I said, quick video. Now, to open it up, you just click on it, touch keyboard, right? Now, I have the compact version. In order for you to change the version, because I don't know how it starts off, I think you may have the complete full keyboard. I'm not sure. You may have something like this that popped up. Something like this that popped up, right? The complete keyboard. Or you may have something of this nature. Well, I don't know what the hell this is. I don't know what this is. I don't think I ever clicked on this one. We're going to get back out of that. All you're doing is clicking right here, right? You see these different icons? And you're going to pick whichever is your poison, right? Pick your poison, right? Separated like this here. The more compact version is here. I prefer that, especially I use it because with my experience, I comment and I reply back to my YouTube subscribers, to the people that subscribe to my channel. We always try to stay active on my channel. We always try to communicate with one another, and a lot of people they're on their phone, so automatically they're just adjusted to using emojis. I'm not on my phone when I'm replying back most of the time, and I wanna reciprocate the actual emoji. You get what I'm saying? So, like I said, then you just click emoji right down here if you have not gathered that yet. Right here, or on the full keyboard, the emoji is right there. You dig me? See what I'm saying? Like, let's use the full keyboard just for this video's sake so you can get the full view. Everything is here. Now, the only thing is, I don't think it changed complexion. Like, this guy right here, you can't hold it and it'll be a different complexion. Y'all get me? So, just keep that understood. Just keep that keep in mind for that. Now I gotta open up Notepad so you guys can get an example of this to see that it works. Let's say someone comment and then I would say thank you. Now let's say it was a female and she left a few hearts or whatever, right? Then my job would be to leave some roses or a flower, or I could use the emoji. Bam, I could use the emoji. Y'all get me? But with because I'm not really savvy on what emoji is what, but I know that a rose is somewhere around here somewhere. You feel me? There we go. Boom. I want to use a rose, right? I might want to use a bouquet of flowers, right? Or just a flower. right? Flower, right? You get what I'm saying? So your emojis is, every emoji is here. Everyone is here. I'm pretty sure they are. But like I said, you can't really change complexions. Y'all know, like on iPhone, well, I don't know if there's any other thing, but you can hold it and then you can change the complexion. Yellow, white, Asian, Hispanic, black, light skin. Y'all get what I'm saying? You can change the emoji. That's the only thing that's not on as far as your laptop, whatever laptop you have. Now, this is Windows 10. This is the operating system, Windows 10. I'm not sure if it was on Windows 8 or any previous version. I'm pretty sure it wasn't on Windows 7 because that's where I came from. So I'm pretty sure it wasn't. But Windows 10, this is Windows 10 based. Okay? And to the laptops that do not have touch screen, the interface, the capability to actually touch screen. You dig me? That's what this is for. That's what this tutorial is for. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out, man. And if it did, please drop a like. Please consider subscribing and let me know in the comment section, alright? Till next time, it's be your boy Twin. Look, be yourself or be everybody else. And I'm out. Peace.
Homie, you ain't really like that. Stop playing like about that. You the type get uppercut in your ass for your own butt. Homie, you ain't really like that. Stop playing like about that. You the type get uppercut in your ass for your own butt.